Welcome to this step-by-step guide on trigonometry. Today, we are going to learn exactly how to calculate tangent values in right-angled triangles. By the end of this video, you will be able to find the tangent ratio for any angle. First, let's understand what the tangent is. In a right-angled triangle, the tangent is simply a ratio comparing two specific sides. You might have heard the memory aid SOH CAH TOA. The TO part stands for tangent equals opposite over adjacent. Before we can calculate anything, we need to know which sides are which. Look at the angle theta in the corner. The side directly across from it is the opposite side. The side right next to it is the adjacent side. We ignore the long hypotenuse for tangent calculations. Here is the formula you will use. Tangent of theta equals the length of the opposite side divided by the length of the adjacent side. It is that simple, just a single division problem. Let's try an example. Here we have a triangle with angle A. We need to find the tangent of angle A first. We identify that the side with length 3 is opposite to A, and the side with length 4 is adjacent to A. Now we plug those numbers into our formula. Tangent of A equals 3 divided by 4. When we do the division, we get 0.75. So, the tangent of angle A is 0.75. Let's look at a steeper triangle. Here is angle B this time. The side opposite to B has a length of 12. The side adjacent, or next to B, has a length of 5. Remember, the 13 is the hypotenuse, so we do not use it. Setting up our equation, tangent of B equals 12 divided by 5. 12 divided by 5 gives us 2.4. This ratio is higher because the opposite side is much longer than the adjacent side. Be careful of these common mistakes. Never use the hypotenuse for tangent. That is for sine or cosine. Also, remember that if you change which angle you are looking at, your opposite and adjacent sides will swap places. To wrap up, remember these 4 steps. 1. Identify your target angle. 2. Label your opposite and adjacent sides. 3. Ignore the hypotenuse. And 4. Simply divide opposite by adjacent. TOA, that is all there is to it.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.